Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I cover how you can work on edit media. So let's get start and work on this tutorial. And also if you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel and please like the video. And also if you want, you can support me on Patreon. Now let's get start. So first back to VS Code, open app, then admin URLs and adding a URL for edit media. So edit media and edit media. Save this file and let's create this method. So open add media and here creating a class. So class product edit media, then adding view. After that accessing the template. So define get method self then request, then asks, then coax. After that return render request and passing the template. So admin, let's see template location, admin underscore templates. After that product edit underscore media dot html and passing the data. So first product equal to products dot objects dot get id equal to, let's access id. So product underscore id equal to coax product underscore id product underscore medias equal to products media dot objects dot filter. Because media is multiple, so I am using filter method. If it is single, you can use get method, and if it is returning multiple data, you can use filter method. After that product underscore id equal to product underscore id, then pass the data in template. So product then passing media. So product underscore media product underscore medias. Also change it to medias. Save this file. Let's create this template page. So copy the template page name, right click, new file, product edit media dot html. After that just copy the code of any pages, like copy the page of category create. So copy the code of category create, close it, paste it, change it to edit product media, edit product media. So basically in edit product media I am going to delete the product and nothing else. So product media h printing the id product dot id. Also let's show the name product dot product name, and in card just remove everything, remove it. After that let's correct the indent. I think everything is perfect. Okay, we need to close one more div. Let's create it. Correct it. Adding a row. After that, here simply for product underscore media in product underscore medias. If product underscore media dot media underscore type equal to, let's check, product media type media type media type equal to 1. I think 1 is for image and 1 is for image, so 1. Then show the image, so image src equal to product underscore media dot media underscore content style equal to with 100%. After that, copy this and paste it also here. This time change it to 2. So for video src style controls, save this file and let's check it's working or not. So back to Chrome, refresh page, click on edit media, and here button is not linked yet, so let's link the button. So open product list and in edit media URL, let's copy the URL name and paste it here. Product underscore id equal to product dot id. Save this file, refresh page, let's check edit media, and you can see it is showing, but it is showing too large. So let's see what we are going to done. Let's make it inside a card. So div class equal to call lg6 div. After that, make it inside card. So div class equal to card, div class equal to card underscore card body. Close this two div which I open for card. After that, copy this, paste it also here. Also copy it, paste it here. Save this file, back to Chrome, refresh page, and you can see it is working perfect, but its size is not fixed. So let's see, like height fixed, so height 300 pixel and object fit cover same with here. Save it, refresh page. Now you can see it is looking perfect. Now let's add option for delete button. So let's see, br and button or ahref equal to or let's add a button. So button, delete, type equal to button and class equal to button, button danger and button block. Data id equal to product underscore media dot id and delete product. Let's copy this button, paste it also here. Save this file, back to Chrome, refresh page, and delete button is showing here but not showing here. So let's see what is the problem. Right click, inspect. So it is not showing here. Let's see. Save this file, refresh page. Now you can see it is showing here also. And also let's add a one more line break in image because it is touching. Now you can see it is looking perfect. Now after that let's work on delete button. So let's see, delete product, copy the class name, and here in custom.js script, now here I'm using jQuery. So if you see any jQuery error, you must need to initialize jQuery. You must need to initialize jQuery in your page. I am not initializing jQuery here again because I already initialized jQuery in my parent template, which is base template. If you see in base template, I already initialized my jQuery. You can see in parent template. So I am not initializing here. Now after that, here simply dollar dot delete product dot click function where id equal to this dot data id console dot log id and also showing the confirm option. So where cnf equal to confirm, are you sure you want to delete? If it is true, so location equal to anything else nothing. So save this, and here do one more thing because we need to pass the id dynamic. So instead of id, change it to location id. Save this, and here instead of id, change it to location. And let's see how you can set location. So for this, product delete, product media delete id product media delete product media delete. Let's copy the class name, after that edit media, and here class product edit media view, and after that define get self request, then args, then quarks. After that, media underscore id equal to quarks and id, because we are accessing id, not product id. Save this file and product media delete. After that, here id perfect. So simply product underscore media equal to product media dot objects dot get id equal to product or media underscore id. After that, let's access the id. So product underscore id equal to product media dot product id dot id dot id. After that, product media dot delete and simply redirect the user. So return http response redirect reverse and pass the edit media page. So edit media page URL, copy it, then passing the data quarks equal to product underscore id. So we can access the product underscore id by product media. Let's pass it, save this page, and after that let's check it's working or not. So save it and here in delete change to URL product media id id equal to product underscore media dot id. Copy it, paste it also here, save this file, back to Chrome, refresh page, and not a valid function of pattern name. So let's see line number 405. So it is showing something error. Reverse for product media id not found. Product media dot id is not a valid function name. So let's see what is the problem. Okay, here URL is wrong because our URL is product media delete. Paste it, save it, back to Chrome, refresh page. Now if I check, you can see if I click on it, you can see it is asking for are you sure you want to delete. Click on cancel, it will not delete. If I click on delete again, click on OK, you can see it has been deleted. So in this way you can delete the product. Here we need to delete the media file also. Currently it deletes the data from only database model, not from media file. So we need to delete it from media file also. And also let's link with sidebar. So let's see. First link with sidebar. So open sidebar. Let's copy the same line and copy product edit media, product edit media, and here copy this, paste it, product underscore edit media, and same with here edit media. save this file, refresh page, and you can see it is working. Now after that, let's delete our media file. So let's see how you can delete the media file. So for this, back to VS Code, and after deleting the data, let's see how you can delete the media file. So here let's see some things like this. Don't call the delete method, comment the code, return HTTP response, okay, and return the path. So product media dot media underscore content dot path. Save it, refresh page, refresh page, refresh page. Save it, refresh page, string, save it, refresh page, and you can see it is showing the path. So let's see if I try to use other way. So os dot first import os, so os dot remove and passing the path. So just pass your path, which is str product media dot media content. Save it, refresh page, and it is showing error. Let's try to access base directory location. So os dot or settings. So Django from Django e-commerce import settings. So settings dot media root. Save it, refresh, and you can see it is showing the complete location. But here two times media is showing. So here replace slash media or slash media. Save it, refresh, okay, refresh, and you can see it has been gone. And if I add plus str product underscore media dot media underscore content, save it, refresh, and now you can see it is showing perfect, but we need to replace slash with slash. Save it, refresh, and now you can see it is looking perfect. So let's check delete method is working or not. So cut it, paste it, and copy the code, remove it, paste it. After that, uncomment the code, remove it, save this file, refresh page, and you can see our item has been deleted, and if you check here, our profile pic, which is default profile, is deleted. So it is working perfect. So in this way you can delete the media file of our model. There is also another way which is not working yet. I don't know what is the problem, because if you try to use another way like this, product underscore media dot media underscore content dot delete, it will work too, but sometimes it is not working. I don't know what is the problem. Sometimes save it. So our product edit page has been completed. So thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And also if you have any questions, please do comment. And also you can support me on Patreon.